Timu lokada Olila High School konyount Kotoma district loko Soroti nesa pedo ay gokor kopo loka munyelete loka pesur Kotoma da Abolia na kaisomere loko Sinia na ada ota ay toroto Kotoma district loko Kumi.
We really worked tirelessly plus other colleagues of mine, at least ensure that we take back the resources.
Timu nuluka pesura kaisa unanuni keskera jas Kotoma rina koteso kunyondos Kotoma district and itomon jas Kotoma da aitolot abolobolo kanang Olila High School nesta buo pedo aitelekare timu lokada Bishop Maraka College korada igoloniare kanuda enoti Kotoma Abolia na dedengenoy Kotoma district loko Kumi. Keja ngulda timu lokada Amus College School konyount Kotoma district loko Bukedia nesta buo pedo ay gokor ay kopoli kamara kereda isap Kotoma munyelet kaula nakada ay telekar timu lokada Alua Senior Secondary School konyount Kotoma district loko Kabirmaido kenda golon iwangon kanuda idiopet timunda verasa kaisara luka nyauni kere Kotoma rina koteso kesa jas Kotoma bolobolo kana nada buko jaikin Kotoma district loko Kumi Kotoma no karu kalong.
Standing in front of the ball was on the right foot, she couldn't finish. The left foot obviously would have been the better one. So we still have the same old challenge. Do our young players develop the ability to dribble right and left? Can they control the ball right and left?
Teso Zone Internationals, which will be taking place in Marara, in Fort Photo, that is Nakasura for the boys.
The games we have played are all good. It's only this final which has made us to lose. But we promise next year we are going to make it.
Raundo kwa Olila High School egwekin arina koteso Kotoma na bolobol na ka nationals na debate ajaut laje Kotoma da mbararang Olila High School neste ringa berdaroit ber ay boisti na kada gwokonor ay kopolo kwa na daunda ikada lwedoleta itomo Kilema Amus College School nefeke da Lua Senior Secondary School timu loko iuni kinike loda beta gwekinari na koteso neza era timu loko da Teso Progressive Academy tepa konyount Kotoma na district lokada ngora abola senu kesda pot ko jawno se kala na kada Engaren ko kede tunga loko kwa gitigita ajaut utasa 8 kialama Kotoma na ainapeta nuda pot ko jaikino Kotoma na okumi okarukalo Michael Onyinge, TV East, Kokumi District.